It's payday in Lego Town, and for Sam, that always feels like total freedom. With his fresh paycheck ready to go, he takes a walk through the Lego Mall. The windows are glowing with bright banners, flash sale, limited time, 70% off. The music is upbeat, the colors are everywhere, and it feels like a big party that he's invited to. He tells himself, I'll just take a quick look. But then he sees it, a brand new smartwatch. The ad says it will change his life. Now Sam's old watch works perfectly fine. The battery is almost full, and it tells the time just great. But this new one, it looks special. A little voice in his head whispers, "You've worked so hard this month. You deserve a treat." He taps his phone on the sensor. Ding. And just like that, it's his. Walking out with that box, Sam feels like a winner. He thinks it's a reward, but he doesn't realize he just walked straight into a carefully designed trap. For the first 3 days, Sam's on cloud 9. Every time he looks at his wrist, he feels a little jolt of pride. He shows it to his coworkers and posts a photo online to get those likes. He feels like the smartest guy in town. But by the end of the week, the new feeling starts to wear off. The watch is just a watch. That restless feeling comes back, that itchy sense that he needs something else to feel happy. Late at night, he finds himself scrolling through shopping apps. The apps seem to know exactly what he likes. Wireless headphones, cool lights for his room, limited edition sneakers. Every time he clicks Add to Cart, he gets a tiny rush of excitement. It's like a treadmill that never stops. He's running as fast as he can to catch that high, but he never actually gets anywhere. He doesn't notice that his bank balance is slowly dropping every time a new delivery box shows up at his door. A few weeks later, Sam meets his friend Aria for coffee. She pulls up in a beautiful new hybrid car. She looks successful, calm, and really happy. "Business is going great," she says with a big smile. Sam smiles back, but inside he feels a sharp sting of jealousy. Suddenly, his reliable old scooter feels cheap. That night, he can't stop looking at car ads. He doesn't actually need a car. His scooter gets him everywhere just fine. But he wants to look as successful as Aria. He tells himself it's about ambition. But really, he's just afraid of looking ordinary or falling behind. By Sunday morning, he's signed a long-term lease for a car that is way too expensive for his budget. Driving home with the music up, he feels powerful again. But every time he has to stop for gas, he gets a small reminder. Looking rich has a very high monthly price tag. When the first big car payment is due, Sam's brain starts making up stories. "It's okay," he tells himself. "I'll just cook at home every night and stop buying coffee." But then he has a long day at work and thinks, "I'm exhausted, I deserve this takeout." Every time he swipes his card, he has a new excuse ready. "Everyone else is doing it," or "It was on sale, so I actually saved money." His brain is trying to protect him from feeling guilty, even though his common sense is trying to warn him. At the store, he sees a buy two, get one free deal on snacks. He grabs 6 boxes, even though he hardly ever eats them. His total bill doubles. He walks to his shiny car, and even though he feels a little bit of guilt, the excitement is still louder. He tells himself, "It's fine, I've got this under control." But the trap is getting tighter every single day. 3 months later, at nearly 2 in the morning, Sam is sitting on his bed. The blue light from his phone shows a list of numbers that make his stomach turn. Car payments, watch installments, 5 different streaming services, and a pile of late fees. He looks at the boxes under his bed. Half of the things he bought are covered in dust and still have the tags on them. Then he remembers something Aria said. She wasn't happy because she had a new car. She was happy because she had just finished paying off her student loans early. Her smile came from peace, not from stuff. That realization hits Sam like a bucket of cold water. The next morning, he deletes the shopping apps. He mutes the ads. For the first time in a long time, his phone is quiet. No limited time alerts, no sales, just calm. He looks at his piggy bank and sees only a few small bills and some coins inside. "Time to start over," he whispers. The first week without shopping feels strange. It's almost like he's missing something. No packages arrive at the door, no special deals pop up. To fill the time, Sam starts cooking. He's pretty bad at it at first, but he gets better. He finds his old Lego sets and starts building just for fun, not to show off to anyone. Slowly, he starts to feel a new kind of happy. It's a quiet joy that comes from making progress. not from buying things. He looks at his bank statement and finds hundreds of dollars being wasted on subscriptions he forgot he even had. He cancels them and puts that money into a rainy day fund instead. Saving his first $100 feels better than any unboxing video ever did. He still treats himself to a nice coffee once a week, but now it feels like a real treat, not a mindless habit. He realizes the mall was selling him a rush, but real life is about building a rhythm. 6 months later, Sam meets Ari again. He's back on his old, reliable scooter. "How's it going, Sam?" she asks. Sam gives her a huge, honest grin. "Better than ever," he says. "My debt is almost gone, my savings are growing, and my head is clear." The mall still has its bright lights and flashing signs, but Sam walks right past them now. His old smartwatch is a bit scratched, but it still works perfectly. That urge to buy a fancy car to look cool, completely gone. He has traded clutter for clarity. His friends notice he seems different, not because of what he owns, but because of how much energy and peace he has. He's built something better than any gadget. He's built self-control. His piggy bank isn't empty anymore. He's cracked the secret. He realized he didn't need to be perfect. He just needed to be aware of the why behind his spending. Now it's your turn. For the next 30 days, I want you to track why you want to spend money, not just what you're buying. Are you bored? Are you tired? Are you trying to keep up with a friend's social media post? Write it down before you swipe. Just being aware of the feeling can break the spell. Try picking one day a week where you spend absolutely nothing. Use that time to build, read, or create something instead. Small wins stack up just like Lego bricks. In 1 month, you'll notice the pattern. In 3 months, you'll have control. In a year, you'll have freedom. The shops want your attention, but you need your future. True wealth isn't about the stuff you own. It's about the peace of mind you keep. What will you start building today?